Imagine stepping into a world where every expectation you've ever had is challenged, where your mind's illusions are stripped away, and the market doesn't care about your plans, your wishes, or your comfort. Imagine placing a trade, confident it will succeed, only to watch it move against you in ways you never imagined. Welcome to trading. Welcome to reality. In trading, the market forces you to confront the illusions of a shared reality. Painful awakenings that hit harder than any loss. At some point in your career, you'll realize that, like everyone else, you try to control events through your perception of what should happen. You form expectations. The price will bounce here. The breakout is guaranteed. Or, this trend is unstoppable. You cling to them. And then, the market shatters them. Consider a trader who bets everything on a textbook setup. He expects a breakout. Charts confirm the pattern. Confidence is high. But suddenly, the price reverses violently. All the analysis, all the preparation, gone. That's the market teaching a lesson. Control is an illusion. And yet, this forced awareness is where growth begins. This is where most traders fail. Not because the market is smarter than them, but because their mind refuses to bend. To survive and thrive, you must develop mental flexibility, the ability to see multiple possibilities, to consider alternatives your fear wants to hide from you. You may not control the market, but you can control how you perceive it. And perception shapes reality more than any chart ever will. These awakenings are not gentle. Each forced awareness leaves a mark. After several painful trades, many traders stop seeing opportunity and start avoiding risk. Fear creeps in. Fear of losing money. Fear of being wrong. Fear of missing out. And when fear becomes your primary motivation, every decision is filtered through it. Imagine a trader staring at the screen, paralyzed, watching a potential setup form. He wants to enter, but the fear of being wrong overtakes him. He hesitates. By the time he acts, the opportunity has vanished. Fear narrowed his mind, blinding him to alternatives. He created the very loss he was trying to avoid. Fear also distorts perception. You begin to notice only what confirms your anxieties. Green candles that could signal a reversal? Ignored. Indicators pointing to opportunity? Filtered out. Your mind becomes a cage, limiting what you can see and how you can act. The paradox is cruel. Fear limits perception. Yet, perception determines success. Traders who know what to do but freeze at the moment of execution aren't battling the market. They're battling themselves. Your mind, clouded by fear, becomes your greatest adversary. And the market doesn't forgive hesitation. Here's the truth few grasp. Fear is not the enemy. Rigid perception is. Observe your thoughts. Separate emotions from logic. Step back. Mental flexibility is your shield. Awareness is your weapon. Only then can fear become a guide, rather than a prison. Picture two traders looking at the same chart. Trader A panics as the price dips. He sells in fear. Trader B acknowledges the drop, considers alternative outcomes, and acts strategically when the setup confirms. Trader B doesn't eliminate fear. He controls it. He adapts, observes, and executes with precision. Or, consider the trader who misses a breakout. The instinctive reaction is regret, revenge, or chasing the market. But a disciplined mind pauses, evaluates, and finds the next opportunity. Emotional mastery doesn't remove loss. It prevents loss from becoming a psychological spiral. This is the level where you stop losing to yourself, where your mind stops sabotaging your trades, where you start building not just wealth, but confidence, clarity, and resilience. Because the market rewards those who can see beyond their own fear, who can perceive reality without distortion from past pain or imagined losses. So, ask yourself, are you letting fear control your trading? Or are you mastering your mind? Are you clinging to illusions or seeing the market as it truly is? Step into discomfort. Embrace forced awareness. Bend your mind without breaking it. Watch your emotions. Study your perception. And act consciously. Only when you master yourself can you truly master the market. Remember, the greatest edge in trading isn't a chart, a strategy, or a secret indicator. It's your mind. Train it. Test it. And above all, don't let fear dictate your story.